Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Hobo, and today I'm happy to bring you a quick video on what is, in my opinion, one of the best ways to clear hard drive space on your computer, and that is with the freeware WinDirstat. Now, this isn't directly related to music, but we all know as music producers how between samples, sound libraries, and software, how congested our hard drives can get sometimes. With that being said, let's open up the software and see what it does. Now, you'll see that it lists my drives here, and I can click one of the drives and it'll start to list every single folder on that drive and allow me to sort those folders any way that I want. And you can see up here that I've chosen to sort it by size. Now, this is a great way to see exactly what folders are taking up how much hard drive space, and to also remind me of any files or folders that I may have forgotten about over the years. So you can see I forgot to clear out my recycle bin, which alone is 4 gigs. My video editing is nice to keep tabs on because sometimes when I'm recording constantly, I don't really notice exactly how much space my captures are taking up until I have it right in front of me in a list. Now, depending on the last time you've organized your computer, this can be a great way to refresh yourself on your own organization and to help you clear out any fluff that you may not need in order to free up some space. If we go into my folders, we'll see that I personally have a ton of games, and that's what takes up the primary amount of space on my computer. And there are probably a half dozen game clients that exist nowadays between all, Origin, Epic Games, all of that. And it's nice to see on a single list outside of the add and remove programs what clients are taking up how much space with exactly what games. Like, I knew Red Dead Redemption 2 was a big game, but I didn't realize it was over 100 gigs. So it's nice to see that and decide, is that game worth keeping? So overall, this software, in my opinion, is very useful for compiling all of your files onto a single list and being able to see exactly how much hard drive space they're taking up and to decide from there what you want to clear up. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the software. It's totally free, and I hope you check it out and I hope it helps you out. Have a good day.